In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Forms. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a simple, structured form that turns submissions into tidy tasks inside the right project. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Asana login page. Enter the email address associated with your account, then select Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and log in. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, follow those prompts as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home, where you can see recent work and your sidebar with teams and projects. Navigate to the project where you want form responses to create tasks. Forms are tied to a specific project, so choose the one that should receive the incoming requests. With the project open, look toward the top right and click Customize. This opens the project's customization panel, where you can manage fields, rules, and in this case, forms. Select Forms from the panel, then click Add to create a new form. Give your form a clear descriptive name so submitters know exactly what it's for. Good names reduce back and forth and set expectations. Next, start adding questions. You can drag and drop new questions into the form and reorder them at any time. Keep each question focused on one concept and use concise labels so people don't have to guess what you're asking for. If clarity is important, add short descriptions to guide submitters. Choose the right field types for the information you need. Use short text for brief inputs like titles, paragraph fields for detailed descriptions, drop-downs, or multiple choice to standardize categories, dates for timelines, and attachments for files such as briefs or images. Pick required fields carefully. Make essential questions mandatory to ensure complete submissions, but avoid overloading the form or you'll increase abandonment. When possible, align questions with your project's custom fields so responses map cleanly to your workflow. For example, a priority dropdown in the form can match a priority field in the project, keeping everything consistent. When you're satisfied with the layout and wording, click Publish. Publishing saves your changes and makes the form ready to use. From there, Asana provides a shareable link you can distribute through your usual channels. You can return to the form later to refine questions or adjust field types as your process evolves, and those updates will apply automatically. That's it. You've logged in, opened the right project, customized it, built your form with the right questions and field types, and published it so submissions turn into actionable tasks.